Installation procedure for the 24-egg automatic incubator. Decide whether to use a foam box based on how cold or warm the weather is. Open the cabinet door and take out all the accessories. There are 2 sets of brooding frames. The white parts are rollers. The cyan parts are spiral shafts. There are also spare components included. Included are water-absorbing cotton pads, a water-absorbing column, and 1 battery clip. Machines with dual power design come with 1 battery clip. Machines with single power design do not include one. There is 1 water filling device, 1 water inlet hose, 1 spray bottle, and 2 atomizing discs. Spare components do not need to be installed. Also included is 1 power cord. When installing the green spiral shaft, pay attention to its orientation and position. After the spiral shaft is installed, install the roller. The roller's gear must engage properly into the groove. The other brooding frame is assembled in exactly the same way. When placing the brooding frame into the incubator, ensure it connects correctly with the egg-turning motor shaft. Install the second frame in the same manner. Prepare a water bottle filled with water. Connect the water inlet hose to the port at the back of the machine. Connect the other end of the water inlet hose to the water filling device. Finally, connect the water filling device to the water bottle. Exciting news! We'll be exhibiting in the Philippines from August 26 to 28, 2026. Stay tuned for more updates, and we can't wait to see you there.